Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Sometimes I feel like I live in workout clothing, so it's really important to me that it's not only comfortable and functional, but also that it's cute. And I think this workout top from MathCat totally checks off all of those boxes for me. I got it in a size medium, which is true to size for me. I love that it is form-fitting, so I don't have to worry about like loose fabric getting in my way during a workout. I really love the cut of it too. It has that awesome racer back, so it gives me full range of motion, and I think that that's a super flattering cut as well. Something else I really love about this top is the length. So it's longer, it's able to sit down by your hips if you want that coverage, or sometimes what I like to do is just kind of let it like bunch up more towards my waist for more of a relaxed look, but I love that I have that option. Of course, I was immediately drawn into the neon green color. I think it's super fun. It totally matches the motif of bright colors that I've got going in my workout studio. If I am doing an outdoor workout, I appreciate that I am very easy to see. This is my favorite kind of workout top, honestly. I love how it fits me. It's form-fitting, the racer back, and it is a breathable fabric. So it's extremely comfortable regardless of the workout I'm doing. If it's strength training, if it's high intensity, if it's stretching, this fabric is gonna move with me. And it's a moisture wicking material, which is always a plus. The material is really soft, and I also appreciate when you look closely, there's a lot of detail in this top. Like there's a little variation in the pattern, and so it's just like small details like that that make it really special. I love this top. It is everything I'm looking for in a workout top, and I honestly want it in every color because it's perfect. So definitely check this out if you are looking for a new athletic top, but that's just my point of view.